Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing... Huh? I'm not the bunny? What are we about to do? We're going to make the baskets. Don't open it. Yeah, so we are going to make some Easter baskets for Dallas and Corey. And then we got some stuff because we're going to do a egg hunt for the babies. So we got some stuff for that as well. I'm going to do a quick haul. Everything was at the Dollar Tree that we got. So everything just cost $1. So let's see what we got. First off, we got this basket. What is that? Basketball. So that's Dallas's basket for tomorrow. And then we got 3 baskets for them to use, 3 buckets. These are going to be used for the egg hunt today. And we got blue, pink, and yellow because baby Berlin is coming too, so she's going to join. Hold on. She will be joining in on the egg hunt. And then, so, don't eat it. Some of this stuff is for the baskets and some are for the egg hunt. Got some egg-shaped lollipops. Mike and Ike's. Just a bunch of candy. Got some Tootsie Rolls. Some Blow Pops. Some M&M's. I thought these were cute. These are gummies, but they're in the shape of bunny rabbits. Rabbits and carrots. So, got those. Skittles. These eggs, but they're actually bubble gum, but they're shaped like an egg. And this, what you got? You want to show me? Dallas wants to show you. What is that? Can you show the camera? Show the people.
Oh, I didn't open this.
You want to open this? These are tropical lemon heads. Hold on. This is something for Corey's basket. It's this little bead. You make a bead bracelet or necklace. Hold on. He is determined to get in this box. What else we got? This is one of those magic towels. So once you put it in the water in the bathtub, it expands to a washcloth. So Corey got one for Dora, and Dallas got what is this? Paw Patrol. Wait. And hold on. Yeah, you're making a mess, please stop. They got these for their baskets, carrot-shaped bubbles. Corey got a little Barbie doll. This is some bunny-shaped Easter eggs. We'll just put some random candy in there. Got Laffy Taffies, Batman towel, more gumballs, some colorful grass for the baskets. I got these stickers. They love Mickey, so these will be fun little stickers. And then we got several of these different eggs that we'll put the stuff in. Little hair bow for Corey for her basket. Dallas got a football for his baskets. This is just some cellophane to wrap their basket up in. Saltwater taffy. Some Starburst. And some chocolate covered marshmallow bunnies. And then this is what Dallas picked out for his basket. And it's a water squirter. So, yeah, I'm sure his mom will love that. Alright, I got a couple more things here. They love juice, so we got these little Huggy juices to put in their basket, just for them to have some juice. Another towel, that one's for Corey. And then this is Corey's Easter basket.
Oh yeah.
What's missing? She's constructing the baskets. Hey, sister. Cute. So these are all the eggs so far. And then, so these, where are they at? The lollipops, I don't know if those will fit yet, but these are too big to fit, so they need to just go in their baskets. Because they won't fit in any of the eggs.
The lollipops too.
And I think about sticking the lollipops in the ground, but then I said no, because they probably put the sticks in their mouth anyway. And they'll be eating grass. But it would have been cute though, having these, you know, stick out of the ground. Wouldn't that have been cute?
Yeah, that would have been cute.
Maybe I'll do a couple ones if we just won't let them have those. So, we'll see. Get out of there. Those things got hard so fast.
It's gum.
Yes. It's gum.
I forgot what was eating.
Look at all this candy that I didn't even put in here yet. I'm about to keep some of this because they don't need all this candy. We're already going to get in trouble from their mothers buying all that candy.
I didn't do it.
Look at this thing. It's huge. Alright, here's the final product. I guess I should have showed y'all before we put the things on there. But I did take a picture. So I can insert a picture. Or actually it's the thumbnail. I used some of the stickers to put on here to decorate the cellophane. And luckily they too young to know about surprises and stuff. I see you peeking. So
I was probably out the picture.
they'll be surprised tomorrow anyway.
Tomorrow?
For the Easter basket.
Oh.
They can't open these today. They got to open them tomorrow.
But I won't be here.
We'll send you a FaceTime.
Hey, you better pickle. I'll be at work.
Yeah, so that's it. Dollar Tree. You know, you don't got to spend a whole bunch of money to please the little kids. Because they don't know it only costs $1. They just happy to get something.
Leave it alone.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Happy Easter to everyone that celebrates.